Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw a cube in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and select this insert option, and here you will find this drawing option. Select new option. Now select this shape option and select rectangular shape, and here you will find this cube option. Now select and simply draw your cube. I will change cube border white and border color. Also I'll change fill color, I'll choose gradient color. This one. And now simply select save and close. Yeah, our cube already added. I'll change cube size. Now you can move your cube anywhere. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.